Okay, this is the robot that I guess I started thinking about making one about 2 years ago. Well, before my wife got sick, uh, I had talked to planned on building this. I guess you would call it a remote control lawnmower. The lawnmower works. It'll cut grass, and to move the lawnmower, you use this remote control, and just this one stick up here handles everything. So basically, now to cut the grass, I don't have to push the lawnmower. I don't have to wrestle with it. So this is my latest creation. This is my first robot. I will be making others. But this is the gateway. Now a lot of people seem to be impressed with the lawnmower, but I'm more impressed with the robotic part of the operation. I say you move it by one joystick. Oops, I almost ran into my truck. I still got some more work to do, and this is a prototype.